Hey, my friend, Miles Seegers here, founding member of the 4% and proud owner of Internet Traffic Mastery. Hey, I want to share with you why I invested in Internet Traffic Mastery. So, I've been online now for a little over 5 years or so, doing quite well, but I wanted to take my business to a whole nother level. I invested and I tested practically every online traffic generation program out there, and really, quite frankly, I thought I knew it all. That is until I found Internet Traffic Mastery. Listen, it's the perfect course for the beginner or even if you're a veteran, because what it does, it takes traffic generation training to a whole new level. I see so many online marketers out there. I see business owners that they really have no online business or online presence. Maybe you. And another thing I've learned over the years, maybe you know this yourself. Traffic, they say, is the lifeblood of your business. So again, my friend, if that's true, why do so many people struggle with traffic and getting targeted traffic? So again, if you're looking to grow that business, or maybe you're looking to just jump online, maybe it's your first day online and you're looking to start a successful business, you need to invest in a program, a real world, hands-on, step-by-step, over the shoulder type of training that you're going to get from Internet Traffic Mastery. And not only that, check this out, my friend. It's taught by the number one traffic guy on the internet, my personal friend and mentor, Mr. Vic Strizos. So cool. So listen, whether you're maybe you're an affiliate marketer, maybe you're a network marketer, or you're in direct sales, or you're a doctor, or you're an attorney, or you're a dentist, or maybe you're a realtor like I used to be. Maybe you're a hair salon owner. Listen, it really doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. You need to have an online presence, and you need to drive targeted leads, which can in turn turn into customers and raving fans to that business. And the last thing I want to say to you, my friend, is listen, you only get one shot, to create something great. Listen, ITM will give you that shot. So go ahead, pick it up today, invest in your business, invest in yourself, my friend, and I'll see you at the top.